Haven't solved a cube yet? I'm here to help you. Firstly, you have to know the basics of the cube. There are 6 sides and 3 types of pieces. Firstly, the centerpiece, second, the edge piece, and thirdly, the corner piece. The centerpiece is the toughest to move. Edge piece is slightly easy to move, and the corner piece is the easiest to move. So, we are gonna build the entire cube around the center. I'm going to teach you the beginner's method, which is also in which we make the cube layer by layer. We're gonna first solve the first layer, then the second, and then the third. So let's have a scramble. And I hope you know the basics, so we can move to the step on solving that. You have to choose one color to make. You have to choose one center in around. You can build the cube. I always prefer green, but you can choose any type of color. So, as I said, the centerpiece won't is the toughest to move. So we are gonna make the cube around this center, and the edge is the slightly tough to move, but the corner is the easiest. So we are gonna make the plus on the green side, and then we're gonna flip the corner piece. Okay, so how to build the green cross here? Firstly, take a look on the edge piece. Edge piece have 2 colors. So if I make like a green cross, like this, what's the use of this color? This color also match with the center. Also, it should match with the center. So that because if it shouldn't, the edge is not solved. So the way to make that is firstly take the opposite center of the green, which is blue, and here you have to fill at the 4 spots. You have to fill 4 green edges. I'll show you how to. That's the first spot, and you have fill with the green. That's the second spot. That's the third spot. That's 4. So I have filled all the green spots here, and now we are going to using the second color of the edge piece. The work of this is you have to align with the center and move it 180 degrees so that it goes down. Align with the center 180. Align with the center 180, and it's already aligned, so just do 180, and you can see we have got a plus with the center aligned. So this is how to solve cross, and after that you have to solve the corner piece. Then we have solved the first layer, and then we are going to move to in solving the second layer and then the last layer. Now solving the corners, as I said, these are the easiest. There's you have to just look on the colors, that's it. You don't have to do anything else. So take any corner piece, green corner piece. So I take this one. It doesn't matter which you take. So look at the side colors of the corner piece. Corner piece has three colors. So one is green and the other two are red and yellow. So place the corner piece where the yellow and red centerpiece locate. So it's the spot where it should be filled. So the way to get that corner piece here is where you want to fill, just move that away from that, bring that down, because it should be filled there, and then move and then take that up. So fill, look, and now take any other corner piece. Okay, if the corner piece in the down, you have to bring that up, like in this layer, facing up, like somewhat like, if I twist the corner, somewhat like this. So the way to bring that up is bring that layer down, it's called the right layer, move that twice and move that up. Okay, so this comes now in the last layer, but the corner piece is facing towards you, so you can easily solve that. As I told you before, look at the side colors, orange and yellow. It should goes to the orange and yellow centerpiece. Here, yellow and orange. So should be filled here. The spot is here. Where to it to be filled, move that away, bring that down, place that in, lift that out, and here you solve it. Now the third corner piece. The side colors are white and red. Okay, so red and white centerpiece. Red and white centerpiece. It should go there. Where it should be go, move that away. Bring that layer down where it should go. Place that in, take that out. It's a way of remembering. It's easy. Now the fourth corner piece. And it's kind of obvious that it should go there. So just do the move which I told you earlier. It should go there, move it away, bring that down, place that in, take that out. That's it. Solve the entire first layer. After solving the first layer, when you reach on the second layer, max you have to solve 4 edges, nothing more than that. Sometimes you got 3 edges to solve. It's kind of easy, but max you can get 4 edges to solve. Okay, so in this case I make that, so you have to solve all 4. I'm going to show you each of the cases which can come and how to solve it. Okay, so solving the second layer, you have to solve these 4 edges correctly, and then the whole second layer will be solved. That's it. And where are the edges? It can be here, or placed incorrectly or in the last layer, but we always look them on the last layer. Okay, so look that on the last layer. As okay, take any pieces which doesn't contain a blue color, edge piece which doesn't contain a blue color. So in this case I take this one, it doesn't consist of a blue color, so aligned with the orange. Okay, now the use of the second color is, that's white, and you have to check where white locates, white center. In this case white center locates on the left, so you have to move the down layer on the right. Okay, now that layer, it should go there, that's its place, it should gonna go there. So bring that layer down, break the solve layer, lift it up. I told you how to solve this piece. Where you want to insert, move that away, bring that down, place that in, and take that up. As you can see, you have solved one edge. Okay, now like this you have to solve all of the edges, remaining 3. Okay, so now the second edge, align with the center. Firstly take the edge which doesn't contain blue. Okay, remember that it doesn't contain blue, so align with the center. And now check where the yellow locates, yellow center, it's white, and the yellow locates on the left again, so white locates, move that on the opposite direction, move that on the right, bring that layer down where it should insert, break this solve there, place that up. Okay, now you have to solve this corner correctly. So we are now left with 2 edge pieces in the second layer. Okay, so I found this edge piece doesn't have the blue color. Align with the center. Check out the side piece, red, it's on the right, move on the left, away, break that, lift that up, and just where we want to insert, move away from that, bring the layer down, place it, and turn that layer up. Now only one edge piece left, which is this. It's already aligned with the center, so you have to just do the move which I told you. Move away, bring the layer down, break the first layer, turn that up, insert this, move away, bring back, turn, and you have solved the second layer. Moving on to the last layer, it's divided on the steps. Firstly we have to solve the cross. As I told you, first we have to solve the cross, then we have to solve these edges, then we have to place all the corner, and then we have to do a move to twist them. That's it. So making a cross, you can get few cases, you have to learn the algorithms. There are only 4 and some of the variations, so I'll show you each and every case. First case, you can get a dot and you can see the algorithms. The algorithm is this: F, R, U, R prime and F prime. Okay, and when you get this block kind of thing, It's kind of like L, in which the one side is pointing towards you and other is pointing towards the right. So you have to do just one algorithm to make the cross. Basically you have to do two, but I will show you only one. This move is called lowercase f. Okay, so instead of doing f, you have to just do a lowercase f. Now u r prime, u prime, and f. So you can see you make the cross and there's only one case left. So if you got a line, hold it the horizontal way and do the move F, you get the cross. After getting the cross, you have to correct the edge pieces. You have to just so now you have to correct the edge pieces. This is called correct piece, but the three are not correct. So just move twice, and now you can see two are correct and the two are incorrect. So all where the edges are incorrect, point one pointing towards you and other on the right, and do this move. And you can see all the edges are correct now. So after that you have to check that whether you have a correct corner piece or not. A correct corner piece looks like this. How can I say that? Because if I twist the corner, you can see it's correct, because it's contained blue color which is on the top, red which is on the front, and the yellow is on the right. So it's correct. It's not correct. So if I twist, it's not correct. So you have to make all the corner piece correct. So hold it on the bottom right, put that solve corner on the bottom right and do this move. And now you can see that all corner pieces are correct. If you don't have correct corner piece, just do this move at any side and you get a correct corner piece. So now the last algorithm solving these pieces, which is just twist those pieces like this. We can do that. You have to just flip the pieces with the algorithm. I'm going to show you two algorithms. First is you have to just do the you can see, and I'm showing you the another algorithm for that. The reason behind that why I'm showing you this, because if the corner is twisted by mistake, you won't be able to apply that algorithm, because you won't be able to solve with that algorithm. So which algorithm you should apply is this. And now on the left side, this is one time. You have to do again until you get your cube solved. So now you can see that the cube is solved, and I hope you have managed to solve your first cube. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and subscribe to my channel, so I can bring some more great content about solving this Rubik's cube. And if you think that solving Rubik's cube is the end, it's not the end, it's just the beginning. And I know Now when you will able to solve this cube under a minute, you want to solve that fastly. So subscribe to my channel and I will bring you about the solving cube fastly. I'll do the tutorial on that. Till then, peace out.